So that was about that. Now about the formatting, in the sense alignment of the text. So you can do the left alignment, center alignment, right alignment using all these three things, and you can even do um, the align to top, in between, or the bottoms. For example, if we have aligned this to the center, now we can just click on this button which is for align to top, and then align to middle, and then align to bottom. This is how you use alignment in Microsoft Excel. And you can even have that text in different manners. For example, vertical text. So this is how it will appear using the vertical text. And you can do the middle formatting, align to middle, so that it looks pretty nice.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.